This is a quick tutorial on how to make a 24-inch jumper cable using two 12-inch jumper cables. Find yourself a spare row of header pins like you have right here. Find the exact number you need. This one I needed 5. I cut this, made this right here. What I did, because the header pins look like that, you want them in the center like that, so you just shift this little piece of plastic down right here. Take your cable, make sure both ends line up properly so you have a green and a green. That way you know which one would be your ground. Get a little bit of glue on the outside edge of this, like that. Stick your header pin in. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Just a little bit of glue. Won't take a lot. Just like that. By the way, what I'm using is rubber cement, so let's see if we can look at that and see how good that looks. So you see how we have that. It's a little messy, but can't ask for too much. Again, make sure the colors line up. Press it together, just like that. And you kind of want to spread this through it. And remember, it is glue, so it's going to melt itself together. And that's how we do that.